How to fix Snapchat group chat glitch on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just go directly to settings of your phone. Then you will go to apps or applications, and on apps or application, as you see now, you will find all the application that you have on your phone. You will search just for Snapchat. And when you found Snapchat like this, just open it and go to storage. And on storage, go to clear data. Click OK and back again. And go to first app and click OK. And that's it. Your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like. Also subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.